Tea is a popular drink made from the leaves of a plant called Camellia sinensis. The story of tea dates back thousands of years to ancient China. According to a popular legend, Emperor Shen Nong accidentally discovered tea around 2737 BCE. While he was boiling water, a few tea leaves from a nearby plant fell into the pot. The resulting infusion was refreshing and fragrant, which led him to try it again intentionally. Over time, the knowledge of tea spread throughout China and then to neighboring countries like Japan and Korea. It became an integral part of their cultures, not just as a beverage, but also as a symbol of hospitality and social gatherings. Tea eventually traveled beyond Asia and reached other parts of the world through trade routes. In the 16th century, European explorers and traders brought tea back to Europe, where it became highly prized and associated with elegance and social status. Different cultures developed unique ways of preparing and enjoying tea. In China, traditional tea ceremonies focused on the art of brewing and serving the beverage. In Japan, the elaborate tea ceremony known as chanuyu was developed as a form of mindfulness and aesthetics. Today, tea comes in various types and flavors, such as green tea, black tea, oolong tea, and herbal tea. Each type is processed differently and offers distinct flavors and health benefits. Tea is enjoyed by people all around the world, both as a simple daily drink and as an important part of cultural traditions. In summary, tea was discovered in ancient China by Emperor Shen Nong around 2737 BCE. And it has since become a cherished beverage with diverse cultural significance and various forms of preparation enjoyed by people worldwide.